Hello, Sal CAPANO here, and happy Saturday. Hopefully you're enjoying your weekend so far. I'm going to get right to it. Today we got some topics. The main topic is going to be, stay tuned if you are a gig worker and you collect PUA in any state. And I'm also going to go over some good news here in Nevada. Okay, what I just found out. I'm also going to go over real quickly on this 10,200. More people are getting it. A couple of you on my YouTube channel, family, and also on my Facebook. I'm saying, yes, Sal, I got it. That's good news. I have not got mine yet, but I know it's going to be here, and most of us will. All right. The IRS said that the 2.8 million has been sent out this week and also in the next week. Single filers first with no dependents. Easy. And they're also, I'm hearing, is those who did their taxes, again, this is for people before the March 11th when they implement it, people who were fortunate enough to get their taxes done right away in February, going to be the first batch, and then next week, more of the single. And then into middle of June will be the married couple without much complication, meaning without any kids or any complications they might have, maybe more work from businesses and stuff like that. And then the third batch towards the end. Again, this is going to go right through the summer. So check your bank account if you have it this Saturday morning. If you look in and you see any extra money, I went over this yesterday. It'll say in your direct deposit, it'll be spelled TREAS 310 tax relief direct deposit. So if you woke up, you seen extra money, that's what that was for. Watch my video from just yesterday. I have on a playlist, and it gets into more detail on that. I just want to move ahead on other important news. So be free after this video. Again, if you're a gig worker, you want to stay tuned. Also, I want to cover a little bit of the stimulus too. Okay. Again, I'm Sal CAPANO, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the bell notification, and so we can blow this video up. I'm going to be giving out more giveaways. I gave it out when I was at 50 subscribers, at 100 subscribers, and 200 subscribers. There's plenty of people on here who can leave their comments and vouch that I don't mess around. I like giving out on this channel. We're going to give out more at 400. I came on with 276 or 277. So once I hit 400, we're going to give out some more winners. You know, $25. I don't give out any Amazon cards. Nothing against Amazon. Visa gift cards, you can do whatever you want. Maybe have a little lunch on me or pay a little small bill. Probably going to give out 5 winners. We'll see how this goes. All right, so if you haven't subscribed now, it helps if you share this video on social media. It'd be great, big help. I reach deep down in here to get this information. Okay, get right to it. So, all right, what should we do first? Okay, good news. So now you know those 25 states that are opting out. Mostly, I'm not going to go over them, the 2 Republican states. It's the boost that they're going to stop in a week or 2. Some states are going to go 3 weeks, and then some states are going to give back a little bit of money. They're going to, like a work bonus, but not to the gig workers, right? It's just for people that were employed. Now, they cannot touch the weekly state benefits. So for an example, if you live in one of those, let's just use Montana. If you're going to lose that boost in a week or 2, right? But the state is going to continue. So if you were making, just for an example, 180 a week, I know it still hurts. They're going to take away that boost. You're still able to collect that until September 6th, according to Joe Biden and Jen Psaki, the House press secretary. So what I know is, please continue to file. So when your state ends the boost, continue your weekly claim. This is not for unemployment. This is for PUA. Remember, gig workers, side hustles, anybody who was entitled for PUA. Now, so very important is what I'm hearing, okay? So continue. Now, if you live in Nevada, I got some good news. I want everybody to leave their comments. Check your credits and just let me know. You don't have to tell me how much. It's none of my business. Just say, I want you to do some calculation for me. So let's say you have 7,000 credits. Divide that among how much you make and see if that goes past. Now remember, we're in July. Well, I'm rushing it. June, July, and August. That's 16 weeks, right? We got June, July, and August. If it goes beyond that, like say 20 weeks or 24 weeks, I want you to let me know. I'm just curious. I've done friends of mine. My wife goes a little bit beyond. What I'm hearing is that we can get more money past that September 6th. Now, the boost is going to stop. Let's say that right now. The boost is going to stop, the 300, even in those 25 states, the Democrat states. All likelihood, it's going to stop on September 6th. Say goodbye to that. But those credits in our portal, please check them out. We might be entitled remember, that was still part of the American Rescue Plan, the CARES Act. Those credits there for, why are there more credits? So we might get it into maybe December. So I'm going to bring you up to date more when I find out. I'm going to talk to my reliable source on Monday. I'm going to ask him that question because I've been reading a little bit about this bill, and I know a lot of people have more credits going beyond. So that could be good news. And this might apply to, so if you're coming across this video and you don't live in Las Vegas or Nevada, here, just check your portal. I don't care if you're in Alabama, just say, check it. And then reach out to your unemployment and ask them that question. I'm going to check here. That could be, so again, the boost will be done, but we'll continue with the state until the credits run out. Again, this is for PUA. So I'm going to check in, and I'm going to let all my family know, particularly here, my Facebook and my YouTube, who live in Nevada. So I will find out hopefully Monday or Tuesday of next week. Okay, so real quickly, stimulus. I'm telling you, Jen Psaki, again, the House Press Secretary, the reporters are asking that question about, will there be another stimulus? And she states 28 Democrats, lawmakers, are in support of it. It'll be a $4 trillion spending physical infrastructure bill, but he also wants to put a short term and for stimulus. It's kind of tricky because unemployment is going down, but Biden wants everybody, the reason we were able to survive and be where we are now is because of those 3 stimulus checks we got from the Trump administration, right, and now the Biden administration. The stock market has a lot to do with what's happening. Now, a lot of people are still late on their rent. So they are talking about a $2,000 stimulus and then recurring payments. I said this before, I don't know about the recurring payments. Most Republicans are not on board on this. I mean, look, most of them wanted to stop the federal unemployment. We'll see what happens. There's a deadline coming up, and the end of August, they leave Senate for 2 weeks on vacation. Yeah, vacation again. So if you're asking me, I think we might see one more because they want a good economy. I talked about inflation yesterday, and when we do get back, whether it's September, October, or November, or even sooner, we got to have enough money to stay ahead. There's still people out there we don't want homeless. That creates a whole other problem that are 2-3 months late on their rent. A lot of states are making it a little harder to get this rent support. I had a video on that the other day, so check out my playlist. There's money in Nevada that you can get rent assistance and utility assistance. So looking at that. So there's some talk on another stimulus. So we'll see what happens with that. It's getting some support. It's just up to Biden now and how fast they want to do this. Again, the deadline's coming up. So again, I'm Sal Capano. I thought this was very productive news, particularly on this 10,200. We're starting to finally see in the bank accounts. If you looked and you haven't seen it, take a deep breath. It will be here. And now that maybe those 25 states, you'll at least be able to get state unemployment, that is just great news. And then also maybe beyond September 6th, we might continue our state. If again, this is for PUA. Some good news on this Saturday here. So hopefully you can share this video and just get it out to as many people so they can get some accurate information from me on Sal Capano. Again, be very safe the rest of your Saturday and Sunday. Say hello to somebody, and tomorrow's another day, and I will see you on my next video. Remember, file your unemployment tomorrow. Ciao.